Alright, I wanted to go over how to create this feature in the theme options panel under the homepage tab called the homepage features boxes. By default it's turned off. If you want to turn it on, this is what it is. It's basically how to create these boxes. They're called feature boxes. And so these 6 boxes are um, created right here, and I'll show you how to create them. So we'll just dive right in. So let's go yes, and then what you're going to want to do after that is create a features parent page. And the easiest thing that you can create a new page if you want, but the easiest thing to do is just select your home page that you've created and that you're using. And so we're going to do that. We're going to select our home page, and you can select how many columns if you want. You have choices 1 through 4. So we're just going to go and stick with the 3. We're going to click Save, and then we're done setting up the options panel as far as picking a parent page and turning it on. So if we refresh the page, nothing's going to happen because we don't have anything else set up. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to Pages, and we're going to add a new page. And one thing to note is that each one of these 6 boxes is one page. So, for instance, let's just start out and do the unlimited colors box, and then type in a bunch of text. And how we get this to work is under page attributes, we're going to want the parent page to be our home page that we had created earlier, or whatever parent page that you selected in your options panel. And then once we do that, we can click Publish, and I will refresh my page now, and you'll see that it is our first box that we've created. And we can adjust the order here if you want it 1 through 6, or if you have 4 columns, 1 through 8. So let's create another box. Here, I'll just call this one second box. And I'm going to make this one order second. And then select. Now you notice if we have unlimited colors shows as a child page. So let's click on our home page parent again. Click Publish. And we'll refresh the page. And now we have our second box. So creating those homepage boxes is pretty easy. You just need to work on the parent-child pages. One other feature is we have this image built in automatically. You could just insert an image and align it left, or you could, if you want that exact icon and size, you can just select the file, and then I have a sample one on my desktop, so we're going to use that one. So then I grab it from my desktop, upload it, and if we set it as a featured image, it will automatically get resized to the correct size for that area. And it won't have any borders or anything like that. So if you want to use the exact same size, that's how you can get an image in there. You don't need to use it. You can also just insert an image and align it to the right or left or center of your boxes as well. A couple other small features as well. In the actual home page originally, you can add text here. So here's home page text here. And I'll show you where it pops up on the page. If we refresh the page, it's going to show up below the slider, the carousel I mean. And basically we just tried to give you as many options to play around with for using your home page and customizing it to the max. And then the last option you have is under Appearance and Widgets. You have 2 homepage widgets that you can use, and you can add in like Flickr or Twitter or whatever widget you want on the home page, and that's just to give you more features as far as customizing your home page to however you wanted to do that. And that's basically the top to bottom how to customize your home page.